Hey everyone, it's Jeff from GSC again. Just a note for those of you who are running SOLIDWORKS on a laptop for the first time. It may be interesting to try to run it on your couch on a pillow, maybe keeping it propped up and using the battery. Very comfortable and a different experience, but it's not the best thing to do from a SOLIDWORKS performance standpoint. When you're running off a battery, your system will automatically slow down the CPU to conserve the power. And in SOLIDWORKS, again, we're using way more CPU and system resources than the average Microsoft Office application. So that's not going to be the best for performance. So what you definitely want to do is find that plug-in, plug your power into the wall to make sure you have your CPU running at maximum speed. Additionally, laptops are very small. They have very tiny, thin cases with a lot of electronics jammed into there. So power generates heat, and heat dissipation is a very important part of a laptop's physical design. When you're having a laptop sitting on something that's soft, you don't have the best airflow through your vents for intake and outtake. So again, the best thing to do is to put your laptop on a nice, hard, smooth, flat surface and make sure you have plenty of space around all the vents so that your laptop can operate at peak proficiency, and so can SOLIDWORKS. I'll be making some more tips for homebound users of SOLIDWORKS in the next few days, so go ahead and stay tuned and look for those, and stay safe, everybody.